how to install Origins mod Minecraft in Aternos. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open aternos.org right here. And once you are now here, we are going to create a new server. So just click this create right here. And then once you click that, make sure that you are on the Java edition. And then let's click create. Now, once you click create, you will be redirected right here in this page. Now, what we're going to do is to make sure that our server is still offline. Now, what we're going to do next is to go here on the software, and then we're going to change it from vanilla into fabric. So click this one right here. And then once you do that, make sure that you choose the version that you want to use for your server. So let's say, for example, that you want to use this. So I'm going to choose that. And then I'm going to click install. Once it is done, the next thing that we need to do is to go here on the left screen and then click this mods. Once you click that, make sure that you download this Fabric API. So click that and then also install your preferred version right here. So let's say, for example, that we want this version right here. So I'm going to click this. And then once it is done, the next thing that we need to do is to go back again on this mods. And then on the search bar, search for Origins right there. Now, once you do that, click this Origins. So click this and then also choose the version that you prefer for your server. So let's say, for example, that we want to use this one. So I'm just going to click this. And then once it is done, the next thing that we need to do is to go here on the worlds, which is right here on the left screen. And then once you click that, the next thing that we need to do is to create a world. So we're going to click this generate right here. Now, just fill up the information that you want to change right here, the world name, the seed, the generator, the world type, the generate structures, and so on. And then, of course, let's click generate. And then after that, you should be good to go. But if you want to use your world that is already on your computer, all you have to do is to click this upload right here and then click folder. And then on the search bar right here, just search percentage app data percentage. And then click this .minecraft file. And then also look for the saves. And then just choose the world that you want to upload. So just click that and then click upload. And then once it is done, you should be good to go. The last thing that we need to do is to go on the server. And then once you do that, just start your server so that you can now use it. So just click this accept. And then you're now good to go. So that is basically it. That is how to install Origins mod Minecraft in Aternos.